Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring what it might feel to move outside of our comfort zone, to breathe, think, and live outside the box. First, let's take a moment to settle into this space. Bring yourself to a comfortable seated position, relaxing the shoulders, straightening the spine, and then allow your eyes to close and your belly to soften. Take a few slow and steady breaths into the base of your belly. And after just a couple of rounds of this, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Notice any observable sensations of the breath as it enters and exits your body, becoming more aware of its flow. You might begin by noticing where it moves through the nostrils. Is it warm or is it cool as it enters here? How about as it exits? Expanding your awareness now, take in all your other senses, except from your sense of sight, as you become more present in your environment. What sounds fill your ears? What does your sense of touch observe? Note both the solidity of the earth beneath you and the lightness of the air around you. Return your attention to the breath's flow for a few more moments of silence. We each have an invisible box that shields us. This box dictates everything from how we breathe, limiting the breath during times of stress, to how we engage with the world. This box holds a comfort zone inside of it, making what lives beyond it appear threatening or uncomfortable at the very least. For each of us, the box holds different limitations. For some, its barriers limit our capacity to think creatively and proactively during times of stress. For others, it holds us back from reaching our fullest potential. And though what lives on the other side of this zone may feel unfamiliar and uncomfortable, as we learn to step beyond our own barriers, we often find that our zones of comfort grow, and that, in fact, we are much more expansive, creative, and resilient than we might have once considered. We can begin to move outside of our personal limitations by expanding the box within through the breath. As we deepen the breath, allowing it to reach the outer edges of the abdomen, we ease the stress response. As the stress response lessens, personal expansion begins to feel safer. So, I invite you to dive further into this exploration as you begin to soften the muscles around the lower abdomen, inviting the fullness of your breath to fill your belly. The belly should expand to a greater degree than the chest, signaling that the diaphragm is engaged. Now gently shift your attention to the mind as you begin to inquire about where you might have room to grow. This inquiry does not signify that we are incomplete or need to change. It is simply a compassionate exploration of where fear and limiting beliefs may be holding us back. In some cases, fear indicates real danger. However, in the modern world, fear and anxiety arise most frequently when the threat is only perceived. As you consider any areas of your life where fear or habitual thoughts may be limiting you, I invite you to ask, what qualities would I embody if this fear were lessened or absent? Would your creativity shine through? Your wisdom, your radiance, or your warmth? Whatever qualities or virtues you sense are bound due to self-constructed limitations, I invite you to play with these in your mind for a few moments. Take some time here to envision how you would walk, move, think, and breathe if these qualities swam freely through you. Allow your inner light to shine through as your mind moves beyond the confines of the invisible box. Just take a few more moments to witness this radiant self within. Acknowledge that this person is very much alive within you. Simply by taking the time to recognize and welcome him or her, we invite these free energies to come closer to the surface of experience. Now take one final slow and steady breath in and out, watching the graceful ebb and flow of its rhythm. Tune into the earth beneath you, feeling into its strength and support. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.